How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Login and Delete. Open up your Facebook. Go to your profile on your top right. Go to Settings and Privacy at the bottom. And again, go to Settings. Scroll below. And under your information, you will see Download Your Information option. Tap onto that. Tap Continue. Now here you will see Request a Download. You can request a copy of your information at any time, and when the file is ready, you will get notified. Tap on Request a Download. Select Types of Information. Then select Messages here and tap on Next. And now here, when the file is ready, you will get notified to your email address in HTML format. You can change the format if you want and tap on Submit Request. And once the information is ready, you will get notified. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this.